What's up, online shoppers? Are you looking for a great way to organize the corner of your showers or your tub? I'm really excited to see how they work. They come in a 2-pack and I love the look of them. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Now it says on the box that you can use these on wood, tile, marble, stainless steel, and it comes with all of the components that you need to install them. You don't have to get any other tools. You don't need anything to put them in. So when you open it up, you get this package of 2 trays, and they fit inside each other because they are 2 different sizes. One is slightly larger than the other one. I love the finish. It's like this matte black kind of brown, like an oil rubbed bronze color almost. Here is the second one. You also get the hanging hardware. So there's the second one. You can see that one is just slightly smaller than the other ones. You get packages of hanging hardware, and you get more than what you need for hanging. You need 2 on each of these, and they give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have some extra ones in case you change your mind and want to move them. Another cool thing about these caddies is that you have places here that you can hook things. So you know how you have like your scrub brush and it has a little string on the end? Well, you can hook it over the end of this so that you have a place to store it and keep it off the shelf, give it a place to have lots of air so that it can dry. These have a really strong adhesive, and they have an adhesive pad here, and you peel the protective plastic off and stick it on. Now on the back of the pad are these little hooks, and the hooks work in such a way that you just clip them on to the back part of your shower caddy. So there you go. It's all installed already, super easy. You can see right there how they clip and hook. So you put one on this side, you put another one on this side, push it into the corner, take this off, and then push it on really sturdy and firm with my hands to make sure that I had a good contact. It's traceless, which means that when you take it off, you're not going to have a bunch of sticky stuff left on whatever surface you've attached this to. The material of these is stainless steel with the oil rubbed bronze powder coat finish on top. Its open grid design like this allows the water to drain. Another great thing about this, especially if you're a renter or if you don't want to drill through tiles and create spaces for water to go through and create water damage buildup, this doesn't require any drilling. This adhesive is all you need to attach these to the corner of your walls, so you're not going to damage your shower or your tub in any way, and you don't have to worry about water getting in behind. Or like I said, if you're a renter and you're not allowed to physically change your space very much, this gives you the option of hanging some really great organizers and then knowing that you can just take them with you if you ever decide you're moving. Another really cool thing about these is that they come in 2 different color choices. This one here I particularly love. It's that oil rubbed bronze color, but they also come in a chrome finish, so you can find something that matches with exactly what your decor is. I'm really happy with the look of these right out of the box. I'm going to go and install them in my bathroom, and then I will show you just how cool they are. Now I haven't used them yet, but from what I see, the great finish, the 2 sizes, the hanging spots, and the really nice no-drill adhesive pads for hanging them, I definitely think this is going to be a family favorite at my house.